morning, guys. So I am on my way to the MVA. I have to go pick up the stickers for my husband's truck, because his truck, we bought a new work truck for him. So I have to go pick up the stickers for those, and so yeah, I have to go pick that up for him. And then I think it's $100 for the stickers, I'm not sure, but I have to go pick those up. But he's supposed to be paying me back because I'm taking the money out of my savings, because I do have a savings even though I don't work, but I do take money from our family income and I put it away for like a rainy day, like if something was to happen to my marriage, and or you never know, something come up where I'm on my own and I have to fend for me and the children. And that's why I have that there. So yeah, Mommy, so I'm gonna go grab that for him, and then Mommy, I think Jackson wants to go to Toys R Us. I don't know. And then I have to Toys R Us. Yes. No, I can't go to Toys R Us first. And then I have to film my my 20 and 21 week update, because I waited too long for 20, so I'm just gonna combine the two. So that should be up, and then I have another vlog scheduled to go up tomorrow, which is Saturday. Today is Friday, so I have another vlog scheduled to go up tomorrow on Saturday. So you guys do check that out. That is my 20-week anatomy scan and my ultrasound. I think you guys are going to see that before you see this video, because this is going to be scheduled for Sunday, I think, or Monday, one of those days. So I'm going to go back to scheduling my videos that way that you guys have something to watch and I'm not like running behind, stuff like that. So I'm going to start taking my channel a little bit more serious, because I notice when I'm not putting up vlogs and videos, my subscribers, they stop, and then as soon as I pick up my I find that more and more people are subscribing to our channel. So I'm gonna keep doing that. And I'm sorry that I stopped, but it was just the beginning of this pregnancy was rough, was really rough, and I'm so sorry, guys. So I'm gonna get back to making more regular vlog. And then another problem is I don't have anything to vlog, because I don't have anything to vlog because I don't go anywhere. So I'm probably going to have to find somewhere to go and vlog, because I don't like to vlog just me being at home with the kids, because that's boring. Nobody want to watch that. So anyways, come with us while I go on my errands. Yes, buddy. With a hot cutter. Yeah, and my eyebrows are all weird because I need to go get them done, because I can't find my tweezer that I usually keep up with them, so they're like getting out of hand. But I'll fix them, guys. I'll fix them. So anyway, guys, yeah. Your belts on. So came to MVA, and turned out I can't do it because my name is not on the title of the truck. So my husband have to fill out a power of attorney form to let me do it, and it's already Friday and he's at work, so I won't be able to get the tag. I won't be able to get the stickers for it, so I'll probably have to come back on Monday to get it done, or probably just wait until Thursday when he when he gets paid. so I can take the money from that instead of, you know, pulling from our savings. So I'm just gonna do that and wait until I get a paycheck that I can use to get it, or I probably just go ahead and pull from my savings, because this truck has been a nightmare because it didn't pass inspection, and then I had to pay for the parts, and then I had to pay for the labor, and then get it all fixed within the 30-day period of the inspection, or else we would have to pay again for it to be re-inspected. So this truck just been a nightmare. So anyways, I'm gonna go over to Home Goods and see if I can find a mug, and then I'm gonna take the boys to Toys R Us for them to go look around. Jaxson has $1 and he thinks that he has $1 million, so he's excited. He's buying a Lego toy with $1, so we shall see how that goes. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I get to Home Goods. No. I don't know which one to get. They're so pretty. This one says Boss Lady. It says I'm not bossy. I am the boss. Ooh. This polka dot one. Hey, stop touching. Nothing special to it. What's this?
Keep my friend out.
Ooh, this looks good. Our friend's just calling and I must go. That's cute.
Mommy, look at this one. It says it's coffee time.
What the heck?
Oh, look.
Coffee snob. Oh, okay. Coffee is like... Oh! Definitely. Liquid sunshine.
Hey, that's what you say. Mommy?
No, it's what's inside of it.
Mommy? Oh. Get Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, buddy. Okay guys, so we're out of Home Goods, and Jaxson said he wanted candy instead of toys, so we're not gonna go to Toys R Us. So I'm gonna go pick up some lunch at Chipotle and then head back home, and I think that's it for the day. So yep, we're going to Chipotle, but I don't think they're open because it's 10:43. It's 10:43, and I think Chipotle opens at 11 a.m. So I don't know. And I don't like sitting around waiting. So let's see. I don't know. I don't know what to do, guys. Might just go home and film my bump dates. Call it a day. I saw some really good stuff in the Home Goods, but only went for one item, and because we're on a strict budget, because we're saving. Yes, honey? Okay, because we're saving for the house, I'm on a really strict budget, and I didn't want to buy anything that we don't need. You know what I mean? So I just went for one item and one item only, and that's what I got, was one item and one item only. So I'm getting better at this spending thing. So I'm gonna go now. I forgot to show you guys the mug I got. I got this mug from just because it says sunshine. Not really a coffee drinker, but I do drink it, but I'm not a coffee drinker. So just because it says sunshine, and on the actual cup it says coffee snob or something. So I just figured I'll show you guys. And it was $4.99. So I'm gonna make me some of these to go with my lunch. This is some of these. I'm gonna make me some of this to go with my lunch. It's Jamaican sorrel, I think. So I just opened it. So let's see how it tastes. So I'm back home, guys, and I went to Chipotle to get some lunch, and I'm about to devour this. I love Chipotle. Love Chipotle. I don't care what no one says. I love me some Chipotle. So let me show you guys what I got. If I can open it. And I ordered it off the app, the Chipotle app, and I got there early to pick it up because they said 11:30, and I got there like 11:15. She was like, "Your order is at 11:30." Doesn't matter. I'm here. Can you make my order so I can go? Isn't that heaven, guys? Like, seriously. I got guacamole in there, some good stuff. So I'm gonna eat this and then try to film my video because the sun is going down and it's only 12, so I'm gonna try to catch the sun before it goes down. So I'll talk to you guys later, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.